Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the error when some app can't be installed on your iPhone because its integrity can't be verified by your iOS. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let me and you get down to our topic. And for this, open up the phone settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit and go to Screen Time. Next, scroll down a little bit more and go to this Restrict Content and Privacy feature. Here, select Allow the app. And if you have Safari disabled here, like I do right now, you just need to activate it. To do that, you need to toggle this switch right here, next to the word Safari. Once you've done that, go back to Settings. Scroll down, find Safari, and go to Safari. Next, scroll down. And here you need to find this mode right here, which is called Clear History and Website. And after that, you'll need to clear history. Next, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Advanced. Here also scroll down and select the most recent feature and click on it. And on this page, in the same way, scroll to the very bottom. There's a lot of features here, but you need to get to this one right here, which is called Reset All. After you reset Safari, I recommend that you also reset your phone. To do this, you'll need to press the top sound button as well as the off button at the same time until you reboot your phone. Once you have done that, you can try to reinstall some apps. Friends, I hope in this video, you have seen how you can fix the error when an app cannot be installed because its integrity cannot be verified. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.